Wow, I didn't know you guys were doing this today. Oh, ma'am, I'm sorry. Yeah, look at this YouTube. They got some type of event, and the cameraman's here too. And what's this? Oh, okay. Ooh, Chex Mix. Look at this YouTube. This is awesome. Vlogging. All right. Wait, what is this for? Oh, I read about that. Okay. All right. Now, the reason I don't have the camera on you is because I didn't get your permission to put you on camera, so. This is really cool. Ooh, I don't want the water, but can I get this? Yeah, that's cool. Oh, it's a school. Oh, I thought it was a metro thing. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good one.